I've seen almost all of your videos here, and I absolutely love your show, man. Right now I'm listening to, I think the best one so far was the explosion with the airbag still. But the silly putty was funny. I mean, seriously, God almighty. Silly putty ass. Freaking bacon, chicken, beef, burnt. Funny. I can't picture anything about it. I hope y'all send me a message back, man. I really like this video, man. Awesome. Oh, and for y'all people who might watch this, seriously, even friends, want to take a shower. Alright, now. Alright. What should I talk about? Well, this one was pretty funny, though. I'm microwave an electric blanket. I mean, why would you microwave one of those? All you do is plug it into the wall and it warms up. But why would you put it in the microwave? I know they'll do it a lot of times, but not naughty, dude. Seriously, put a lot of microwave stuff in there.